Hi, I'm Dan and we're going to take this fantastic Seat Ibiza 1.2 FR for a little test drive. So the car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. The clutch and the gearbox feel really good. Through all 5 gears with no dramas. Brakes feel nice. Steering feels great. The suspension's riding the bumps on this country road with ease. So yeah, the car is driving spot on as it should. And it is a really nice car to drive. You may know it shares the same platform, if you like, with the VW Polo. So with it being a VW Audi Group car, you'd expect it to drive really nice, and it does. Specification wise, that's really good as well. So you've got this Garmin removable touchscreen multimedia system. So on there we've got the sat-nav displayed at the moment. You've also got Bluetooth for your mobile phone, hands-free, and for audio streaming. There's also an auxiliary import as well, should you need that. Air conditioning, really nice leather steering wheel, cruise control, and you've got some sort of remote controls here where you can adjust the volume and functions as well. So lots of controls nearby, just on your fingertips. Plenty of power from this little turbo engine. This hill's really steep, but this car gets up it so easily. So yeah, the car's driving nice. This one's also got the upgraded alloy wheels, so the alloy wheels are 17-inch instead of 16. Which I think makes it look like just that little bit nicer as well from the outside. So yeah, there you go. I hope that's been useful. Thank you for watching. You take care and bye for now.